This is the new BlendJet 2 portable blender. It packs big blender power on the go, and it comes in 16 crush-worthy colors. It's perfect for smoothies and cocktails by the pool. It's water resistant too. It makes silky smooth protein shakes and travels with you anywhere. It's USB-C rechargeable and is always ready for adventure. It's a powerful food processor too. It crushes ice in seconds. And it even cleans itself. Free worldwide shipping is included. Order yours now exclusively at BlendJet.com.